What color?
Red.
Red color. What color of this car?
Yellow.
David, do you want a big house?
Da.
Like this, but big, very, very big.
Da.
We want to order a big house, a huge house, yes. For home. What color?
Green.
Green color. Okay, we're waiting. Thank you. Do you hear?
Da.
They come. Let's see who come. Wow! Who bring this? It's a door. We have an instruction here. Wow, so cool! You made it for yourself.
Oh yeah!
David, we almost finished the roof. Come inside. Come inside. Come. Come here. Come here. Wow, David, we built the house together. Hello. We built so beautiful house together. So cool, green house for us. Yeah, I like this house too. What about you guys? Do you like our green house? If you like, please leave your like. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe.